In this video, let me show you how to verify your identity inside of Robinhood. If you decided to invest or trade with Robinhood, you'll need to first of all verify your identity through your photo or through a government issued or verified identity. So if you've already created your account of Robinhood, on the home page you'll see a section which says verify your identity. There are few steps that you need to follow. The first step is of course going to be the sign up process. The next step is the verification. Then you add funds into the broker, and then you can also claim gifts in form of stocks. To verify your identity, you can just tap on the upload photo option. Once you're inside of this section, you can just tap on get started. Now first of all, in order to verify your ID, you need to select your country of residence. So the ID that you have of your country, just select your country and then you can tap on select. The next step is going to be to choose your ID, whether it be driver's license, the state ID, passport, or a passport card. So depending upon the ID that you have, you can choose one of these options. Make sure that these are the government issued IDs. So select one of your options and then just upload the document, or you can also take pictures. Now once you uploaded your identity into Robinhood, it will take a few hours for them to verify if it is you or not. So wait out, and once the verification process is complete, you'll get an email saying that you'll be able to now add in funds into your account of Robinhood. So that's the way that you verify your identity inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.